Hello everybody, welcome back. So in this video I'll be showing you whatever I do in the evening. So I set my alarm at 5:30 p.m. I make sure I go to the gym. As you can see here, now I'm in the gym. So before I start my gym, I take a look at the view. It's very nice. You can see there, that's the Burj Khalifa, and that's downtown. Enjoy everything that Dubai has to offer with this beautiful view. So after a few minutes, I start my machine and start the workout. So I will walk here for 15 minutes and then I will go to another machine. I try to do also 15 minutes. As you can see here, I'm trying to exercise my legs, riding the bike. So in this other machine, I will also do for 10 minutes. Yeah, so after that, I'll go back home and take a shower, a cold shower. And then after showering, I'll take my vitamin C and rot, which removes toxins in the body, and chlorophyll. And then I'll take my watermelon juice. I'd already made this juice when I was going. And some little fruits here, strawberries, tomatoes, and other fruits. So after eating, I'll get my Bible and read the Word of God and pray. And then I'll go for shopping. I have to buy some things for home. I have to cook dinner. So here I'm in the Abra, which is the boat, water transport. It's not so much, it's like 2 dirhams to Festival City. So beside there, that is the library book, the book library. And very many boats here, passing around. It's very nice. This other board. Sadly, I forgot my power bank at home, so I will let you know when I'm home. Alright guys, so now I'm home. I had to prepare something to eat. So here I've chopped some onions and some tomatoes here. We'll also chop them. And then I will also cut some of the carrots. I'll chop them into pieces. And then I'll put my butter in the pan. I like using butter. So after, when this butter melts, I'll have to put the onions. And then when the onions are almost ready, I'll put the carrots and mix them together. And then I'll put some of these ingredients like the salt, paprika powder, and black pepper, some of the herbs, and the soupe. I will mix them together. After, I will put my tomatoes and my vegetables, and then I'll get the rice, and then I'll pour it in these vegetables which I'm cooking. I will cover them as they get ready. So now our food is ready. I'll put it in the plate, ready for eating. You're welcome. So after eating, I will put on my TV and have some leisure. So I'll take my protein snack and then we'll go to Prime Videos, try to watch some movie. And then I will go to YouTube, then I have to look at my videos. I search here Pendo in Dubai, that's the name of my YouTube channel. And then I have to watch some of my videos. As you can see, that's my YouTube channel. So please guys, go watch out this video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share for more travel videos. So after, I will brush my teeth, ready for sleeping. and I will wash my face. I make sure that before I sleep my face is clean. So thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share for more videos.